this to me. Boy.
Billy! Oh shoot! Yo!
Kasi Billy.
Billy,
Billy Eilish? Ay, sorry.
Okay, we're going to... let's go!
Bo, you ain't accepting though.
Dalhin ko lang to.
Ako. Para ano.
We're gonna leave na.
Yo.
Wala ka na lang.
Hi!
Saban
Ma-
lang naman.
Billy!
Hi, Kuya Billy.
Hi, Kuya Billy. Hello.
Billy, man.
Tinuod?
My mom says hi mga
Tinuod
guapa.
where? Hi!
Oh, thank you. Kami ba?
Billy.
What you guys
Hello
doing?
po. We're gonna have a caravan in a while. Actually, we're gonna leave.
You gonna leave?
Yeah.
He is full.
You guys drunk
my
right
God.
now?
Sorry.
You guys drinking?
Watermelon shake!
Watermelon shake.
Let's go. Let's go.
Watermelon shake. I used to be
Coffee.
a bit. Oh, you're having coffee, bro. I used to be your biggest fan when I was like 7.
When I was 12 yun. no?
Ay, 12 pala.
Yeah. You know Kuya Billy? Fun fact.
What's
Fun fact,
that?
Kuya Billy. I had a shirt. It said, I love Bailey.
Yeah, I love. And by
Where you-
Lona. That was a.
You guys
that was
are
a fan.
Cebu.
It's not Bailona. It's Bailona.
Nakakakaba.
Hey.
Nakakaalim.
How do you speak Bisaya, man? Are you from Cebu? Say it.
Taga Cebu, Maday.
Oh, taga Cebu mi. Taga Cebu mi, tita. Bless me, tita.
Bless.
Bailey. Hi. Buat mo ko iligo usam, Miss Bailey.
Yo, guys, I just wanted to say have a great evening, and yo, we need to go live on TikTok. By the way.
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'll let you know.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, tita.
Bye din, tita.
Let's go.
Nakakakaba. Nakakaaliw. Nakakakilig.
Let's go.
Nakakabalik.
Tara na, oy.
Ate Col!
Let's go, Colette.
I'm bringing this. Kasi
Ah,
hindi ko luluko yung cellphone. Hindi ko siya kailangan.
Okay, pwede naman natin.
Can I put my stuff there, please? Okay.
Thank you, ate. Thank you so much.
Meron talaga siya.
Ano sa nato niyo, okay? Di pa kaagi si ate.
Ang boses mo.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go. Ikaw ba?
Hindi pa kayo.
Oh, bakit?
Okay.
Ay, okay, bye. Bye. 1, 2, 3, go. Ang lawin. Okay, go, end.
Bye-bye.